This is a demonstration on how to begin your needlepoint dice project. So here I have one of the already made dice, and I do know that the singular of dice is die, but most people seem to know it as dice, so we are calling it dice. So 6 sides, and each piece is the same size. It is a lot of fun to put together. I don't know if it's the fact that it makes a cube, but I just find it very satisfying. So to start, you're going to make the panels, and they're very easy to understand. The two that you just need to be aware of are the 2 and the 3. You need to make sure that you do them in the right direction. And likewise, as we'll get to in a later step when we attach, you need to make sure that you're attaching it correctly. So we're going to start here with the cushion stitch. I like to start in the top left. You can start wherever you want. The key thing though is you need to leave the top corner or the bottom corner, the cornermost hole empty, and work around it. I like to leave about 1 inch behind that I'm then going to stitch over. And the stitch is 9 stitches long for each square. The first 5 get larger, and then the last 4 get smaller and complete the square. For some projects, you'll do different patterns or go straight across, but for this one, it makes sense to do 4 squares that form 1 box of color. Okay, that was the 5th one, so now we're getting smaller. Now when you finish the first one, I typically go to the side, but you can also go down. All that matters is that the small ends match up. So each square will start with a small stitch and end with a small stitch. So likewise, when you're starting the next one, you're going to start with a small stitch and end with a small stitch. So I'm going to come right over here. I could also do this one. And you need to be careful, so we just went into this box, so we can't then come out of it. So we're going to go from the bottom to the top. Okay, and now we're finishing up our first box of color. And then to finish, we're going to slide underneath and trim the excess. And that's how you begin your dice project.